We're going to go to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Cory and Brendan. And we need an audience member to volunteer to provide sound effects. Come on up. We don't have mics, so you're going to have to be loud and proud, as it were.
Honey, you just be loud, proud, and in charge of yourself, okay?
Don't tell me what to do,
bitch.
Alright, the scene is... I'm going to pay for this one. Brendan and Cory are newlyweds.
Dream come true, dream.
Taking their honeymoon.
Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna. Okay. They are newlyweds taking their honeymoon on the Titanic when disaster strikes. And the horn went away.
Oh God.
And stronger than he looks. Our room we go.
When you held me on the prow of the ship, I felt like I was flying.
Oh God.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just that there's a massive weight issue with the boat. The boat seems to be a little, kind of weirdly. It must be the rocking of the boat. It's just.
I'm flying, Cory.
I didn't realize they had intercoms in the 40s. That is weird. Yeah, I mean, music over electric sound systems is amazing. Technology. Hello.
Shorter room service.
1912.
As a matter of fact, I did.
What you get? You are such a sweetheart.
Oh, that's not door.
What'd you think?
Shing.
Delayed sound effects and everything.
This room is really weird.
It has to do with the intercom system. Don't worry about it.
I
Yeah.
heard something like that never. Oh my God! You got my favorite.
I know.
Suckling hamster. Dude.
Hamster?
And it's still.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh no. Alright, ready?
Harder.
I don't know where that came from.
Neither do I. It's like there's somebody controlling our lives through sound effects.
Boom!
That was not delayed at all!
Shockwave, it takes a while to come across a ship that large. We're at the back, you know? Like, you know.
That is the worst violation.
It's okay. We have to get to the lifeboats. Women and children first. So that means both of us get to go on since we're both 12.
Out of the way!
True.
I didn't know violence sounds like that. Who hired her to play in our cabin?
I don't know, but we should probably get to the lifeboats before we, you know, drown in the water that's up to your feet already.
I haven't even taken any steps yet. It must be really bad.
It is. It's horrible. Oh no, there's only one lifeboat. And only one seat.
It's mine!
Fuck you! No! Take it.
I can't live without you.
That went about as well as expected.
Oh my God.